We are not DIYers. We are not fixer-uppers. We've never done this before. So this could go incredibly wrong, but it also could be beautiful. So, guess we'll see. Morning, morning, morning. Welcome back to my channel.
Morning, morning, morning.
So today we're gonna do a really fun video. I asked you guys in one of my last videos that I did, I think it was my morning routine, if you want to follow me, kind of like a decorate with me series while I get my apartment looking right. We were going to DIY a dresser because I don't know why cute dressers are so hard to find, especially affordable ones that aren't over $1,000 that we like. So what we were going to do was DIY the IKEA Tarva dressers that everyone does online. You can buy it. It's like raw pine wood. Sand it down, stain it, do whatever you want, change the knobs, and it's cute. Well, IKEA is closed, so we were gonna order it online and it wouldn't arrive until July. And it's like, no, we want to watch TV in our bed now. So I went on Let Go and Offer Up, and I was looking through and I found a dresser. And yesterday I messaged the guy and I was like, hey, what's the dimensions of this dresser? Because we're working with, let me show you the space. We're working with kind of a tight space. This is where the dresser is going to go. So our bed, the dresser. And this is the space that we have to walk. So I measured that it should be 16 inches deep for us to still have enough foot room to walk to get to the other side of the bed. Every cute dresser online is like 17 to 18 inches deep. That was so annoying, falling in love with like a bunch of cute dressers and then being the right price, but then the depth was like not gonna fit the space. So I asked the guy on Offer Up to measure it and tell me how much it was. It fit perfectly, and I was like, how can I get this dresser? It's a fixer-upper. It's definitely a project, but he brought it to us the same day, was it? Yeah, he brought it to us the same day. So I woke up thinking I was gonna get an IKEA dresser, and then I went to bed and I had a dresser in my apartment. This is the dresser! Look at how cute it is! It has a bunch of stuff on it because we just got back. We had to get some things from Lowe's and Target just to finish it up. So this is what it looks like. I love that it matches our like woody theme. This is our TV stand, and obviously our coffee table matches the whole aesthetic. I wanted something that ties in the wood we have going on with our nightstand and headboard, which eventually we're gonna want to replace. But I thought that this would be perfect. Now, why it's a fixer-upper, look at that. It's got like water stains. I don't know what it is actually. I think it's just like moisture water stains that have darkened it up. I've looked how to get rid of that online, and people say hydrogen peroxide will do it. I also saw a video that said oxalic acid, but I don't know what oxalic acid is. The guy in Lowe's said that it's not necessary and it probably won't work because it looks like it's kind of deep in there, but I still had already bought the hydrogen peroxide. So I think I'm gonna try that and see if I can lighten it just a little bit so that when it's all sanded down and lightened and we put a clear gloss on top, it looks a little bit more blended. The guy at Lowe's said that he would guess that this is stained pine. So this should lighten when we sand it. All we're going to do to it is sand it down, get it even, smooth, try to get rid of the water stains, and then just put a clear gloss on top of it. We really went back and forth between if we were going to stain it a different color or just put a clear gloss on top. We can't know that though until we sand it down. So we're gonna have to sand it and see how much of the stain that's already on comes off. So that's what we're gonna work on today. We are not DIYers. We are not fixer-uppers. We've never done this before. So this could go incredibly wrong, but it also could be beautiful. So, guess we'll see. This is the tool that was recommended for us to get. It's a palm sander. So Dante is gonna be doing that because I'm not messing it up. We also got this 180 grit sanding block. We got these discs, which are 120 grit. In case I found any holes or in case we want to add legs to this dresser and we drill something wrong, whatever, I just got stainable wood filler just in case. This is the clear gloss that we got for the top. He said that if we got a polyurethane, it would give it a little bit of a yellow tint. That's just what that kind of gloss does. And so we just opted for the one that is going to be true to color when we put it on. So whatever the wood is, if we just go with this and we don't stain it, it's going to look exactly like the wood color. We got a couple of other decorative pieces. This is just some hooks that we want to put right at the entrance. And then we got these little wall decorative sea urchins to put right above the sink, just because there's a weird empty space. We were going back and forth between if we wanted like 3 mirrors there, but then we saw that at Target and I thought, why not try that? And then we also picked up some of these plants that you see around the place. We got a couple in the living area. We've got 2 on either corner of the kitchen counters. And then there's also 1 more in the bathroom.
You?
Yeah. Babe, look at it in the camera. Maybe it's just me, but this don't look even.
It looks pretty even to me.
These two, one looks higher to me. I don't know, maybe I'm just seeing things. Okay, so we're about to start the dresser.
Let's see. We gotta move the couch back.
Oh my god, it's working. It's working.
Yeah, pass me the cord.
Is it just me or did the dark spot lighten up already? Wow. Alright, so the top is pretty much smooth already. This took all of, what, 10 minutes? And now he's working on the front side that had a little bit of scratches on there and just smoothing that out. It's definitely lightening up. It was a little more reddy and dark, and now it's starting to reveal the pine. He was using 80 grit, and he thinks that that's done with that grade or whatever you say, and so we switched to the 120 to, I guess, like buff it and smooth it a little bit more, but it's looking real good. All right, you guys, so here's the after Dante sanded everything down. This is pretty much the finished product without the clear gloss on top. We love this kind of look, the like perfectly imperfect. As you can tell, like that's our thing. I think it turned out great. The dark marks look like character now and not like water stains.
This is just sanding and it looks this good.
And then there's one more, whatever that splash is on the side that I gotta figure out how to get out. But other than that, it's pretty much what it's gonna look like. And then hopefully we can add legs to it, maybe these kind of legs to tie in the iron accents that we have on our stuff, like that pole, and then like our coffee table over there. And now he's gonna do the drawers, exactly the same thing to the drawers, and then we're gonna do the gloss on top.
I was gonna sand this part, but I actually like the color grade difference between this
and
going
the dark
into
edge.
that. Yeah, I think that looks cool. It'll tie in the like stained spots. That's the
right.
Just the other dark marks.
Right.
Makes it look like it's part of the wood.
Awesome. Okay, so while you're working on the drawers then, I'm going to wipe this down and make sure that there's no more sand on it or anything, what do they call it? Wooden thing? So, wood. Dust. There's no more dust so that when the gloss goes on, it's no lumps or bubbles. Guys, we have a blender. I'm so excited about this. We have been drinking so many smoothies in Florida, and now we can have smoothies in LA.
I don't think they understand.
I really don't think they get it. Okay, so it's the next day, and this is it after the first coat of the water-based clear coat. Looking so good. You can see right there how the lighting is glaring off. It's a satin finish, So it's not gonna be like super shiny or anything, but it just kind of makes the colors pop through. So now we have to sand it down and do it again, like do that like 4 more times and paint the entire dresser. But it's pretty fast when the 2 of us do it. It took us like 15 minutes. An update on the side. This is gonna be against the wall, so you're really not gonna see it. I just wanted to clean this up and make it not so black. But I'm alright with it. It doesn't look too bad now. You guys, here is the finished.
Sorry.
You guys, here is the finished dresser. Not like finally finished, but like wood finished. Look at that glaze. It's a satin glaze. We did 4 coats. It basically took an entire day, but so worth it. And guess what? The legs for it came in the mail. And we also got a couple of other things for just decoration that came in the mail. So there's gonna be some stuff to do today, and I'm really, really excited, especially for this dresser. We can finally get it in its final position in our bedroom. We're still gonna give it a day or 2 to set and dry before we put on the TV, like on top of it. But at least it's done. The hard work is done. We got the dresser, and now we just gotta elevate it with the legs. So exciting. We got a hamper. Here it is in its space. So cute. Quick update on this. So we decided that they look better if they were like all even and lined up. So we tried to take the middle one off, but the tape took the wall paint and everything off under it. So we have to call maintenance to get this fixed. And just warning, if you use mounting tape that can hold up to 15 pounds, it's probably gonna rip off your wall. We also got this wall decor for over our TV. We have that one up because the outlet, it goes right on top of it, so it's a fire hazard. Dante noticed that, so we're gonna go get some of the like safety outlet plugs for like babies so that no electricity can escape there and we can have it dangling like normal, because we really don't use that outlet anyway. Now for the finale. So pretty. There she is in all her glory. This is her final position, and I looked it up online. I thought that I couldn't put the TV on for like a couple of days, but it turns out at least after 24 hours of drying, it's good enough to use. So we set it up, and I love it. We're not quite done with this area. We're still gonna put 2 plants on either side there, and then the printer is in that corner. We're gonna figure that out, but I love this so far. We have a lot more decorations coming, and I'm gonna do each section of the apartment one at a time. So I'm gonna probably end up doing this video in like series. So if you like videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button because I'm gonna be doing a redo on my patio. There's a lot. So subscribe if you like to see like decorate with me type videos because it's gonna be happening on this channel. By the way, excuse how I look. It's been a long day. It's like late. I'm about to work out and I'm like, I'm exhausted. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments what else you'd like to see from me. And like I said, make sure you hit subscribe to see every time I upload videos twice a week. All right, you guys, have a good one. Be safe and I'll see you in the next video.